Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos.
Are you ready to take your nail game to the next level? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned nail artist, having the right tools and products is essential. Let me introduce you to the ultimate lineup of nail essentials for flawless nails every time. First up, we have the Nail Practice Liquid, the perfect partner to master your nail skills. Practice makes perfect, and this liquid ensures smooth application every time. Next, the Multi-Function Builder Gel, versatile, strong, and designed to shape, sculpt, and build beautiful nails with ease. Say goodbye to lifting with the Anti-Lift Primer. It keeps your nails secure, ensuring your hard work stays intact for weeks. The Self-Leveling Builder Gel is a game changer for achieving flawless, smooth nails every single time. Its self-leveling formula does all the hard work for you. Need a secure and strong hold? The nail tip glue bonds perfectly, making nail extensions quick and hassle-free. The non-stick matte top coat delivers a smooth, powder-free finish for that trendy matte look you'll love. Protect and reinforce your nails with the Nail Strengthening Gel. It's perfect for adding durability to natural nails. Create stunning gradients effortlessly with the Ombre Gel. Your nails will look like a masterpiece every time. Maximize adhesion with the ultra-strong base gel, the perfect foundation for any nail design. And finally, the Watercolor Matte Top Coat enhances your art with a unique, soft matte finish. These are the must-have products to achieve flawless, professional nails at home or in the salon. Ready to elevate your nail game? Click the link below to get yours today. Perfect nails start with the right products. Don't wait. Grab your favorites now.
I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.